In this video, you're going to learn how to get this kind of animation in Final Cut Pro. Hi guys, I'm Pixel Sammy and welcome to this newest video. So if you guys are new here, do make sure to subscribe to the channel and let's go. So for this kind of effect, I'm going to show in two ways. One is a way in Final Cut Pro by using presets. Another one is by using an external tool which is going to save you a lot of time. So the first thing which you have to do is you have to download this particular title preset. It is there in my school community in the editing assets. So go there, download this and then install it right here. The school community link is there in the description below. Once you have installed this particular effect, once that is done, all you need to do is simply drag and drop it on the skin just like this. And you are pretty much good to go. This particular effect has been used by all the good YouTubers right now. All the other YouTubers are doing it in this way. So if you click on this, right, what you can do is you can change the font of one of the text just like this and it looks very different. And the end result about this is that the finishing looks very aesthetic. If you click on this, you can just turn off the wiggle just like this so that the wiggle is turned off. And of course, it is dependent on your taste. So make sure to choose whichever you like. The school community link is there in the description below if you want to check it out. The other alternate to this is using a tool called Typee. Now this tool is of course not free, but they are giving a special offer that the first 2 months will be free. That is a good thing for you guys to try it out. Now if you want to try it out, just click on get started just like this. And of course, create your free account. It is free to create your account, so make sure to try it out. And then after that, you need to upload the video. Like you can see, it is currently getting uploaded. Now, as you can see, this is the editor of the panel. So let's go somewhere right here. And the panel is right this. As you can see, the subtitles are already made. How to do this? Just simply go to this one website, upload your video, and just choose in any one of the presets right here. I have chosen this one, which is Pace, but there are some other good ones too, such as this one. Or this one. All of them are there in this one tool. It is very easy to use, and once you are done with the edit, just click on export and it will be exported out in a matter of few minutes. The link to this is there in the description below and they are having it free for the first 2 months. Do make sure to try it out and let me know your thoughts. Other than those, if you guys are interested on the Final Cut version, then the join in link to the school community is there in the description below. Do make sure to follow my two fonts analogy when you're using this font tool because it will make the effect a lot better than it is originally used. With that being said, I'm Pixel Sammy and we'll be back with a new video soon. Peace out.